back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all some ideas of how to move your video, how to move it, and after you're going to see another thing, how to add like a typewriter sound with the words in it. So but this is the first one I'm showing y'all using CapCut video. I'm using on my iPad that I'm editing on here, and I'm gonna show you this right now. You just have to move around and stuff on here. And I know I forgot to show something else on it, but next time when I'm doing it, I think it's on the other app that I did. It started with K. You probably know what I'm talking about if some of y'all know. But on here I'm kind of sliding it to kind of move it really good. Next thing I went on it now. I did record. I forgot what I'm saying. Okay, I did use this, and you're gonna see it, rolling ball. I think it's like a it's kind of like zigzag rolling or something. So I kind of use that to kind of make it kind of moving it of it. And I really love using this app. This app is like really good to use to kind of do different effects or something. The only problem I can't get the thing off the other thing, the word of the name of it, but soon I would do it sooner or later. I just have to pay for it. After that, I just send it back to CapCut, the app, and I use it on there. And the next part you're gonna see is I kind of make up my own kind of theme. So I just rotate it around back and forth. I think some of y'all probably did. If you had to use this app, I kind of rotate it back and forth and move it back and forth. You'll probably see it. So I'm just gonna let y'all see it of it. Okay, the next part on here now, I did find this picture on, Google searching on Tumblr and stuff. So this one I show that I kind of make the size a little different, like, you do like 1280, 7020, something like that. But on on your photo thing, it would have like 16:9. So I kind of make that kind of small, size small. You'll probably see on the picture of it. And I went to iMovie. Yeah, I went to iMovie, and I using that. So I kind of like, I don't know why I went there for. You probably gonna see. I'm gonna go to photo. I think I don't know how to say that right, but I'm gonna go there. I don't know why I went to iMovie for, or my mind was on there, and I woke up early in the morning. Not early in the morning, but I woke up. I mean, when I did this. After that, I kind of used the same little like balloons. So I kind of just put the words. I saw somebody did this, of a YouTuber did this. I don't forget what YouTuber did this, but I decided I want to put it on my channel. But I did a little different from it. I tried my best to do like what the other YouTuber did, but I want to kind of put this on my channel because I always want to do that on my channel, to do like a type thing, in your video to put in. And I went on here and I went on to find the type of the font of the letters and stuff. So I found one, and that was the one I just picked. That you can pick any one you can use. It's the one that's the 100,000 font words, letters. I'm gonna put them in the description box of you could search that. So I kind of did like that. You see on both parts of the video that I did of that. So I'm breathing so fast like this on this video. I know I'm making so much sound on this. I'm sorry about that, y'all. But you can see on the video that. Okay, the next one is that this is the same part of this. I kind of add them, and I kind of cut parts out of it to make it kind of short, but I still make the picture move because I decided to do like that. I don't know why. I just decided to kind of make it kind of move a little bit of that you would see of that, and but I just want to explain to y'all that I just cut out parts of it and I just added. And after that, I went to the that Bird app, and I went there, and I know I didn't show that how I download it, but I will probably next time if y'all want me to do that, I will show you how I download it using that, and let me know in the comments. But that's what you would see on there, and the sound of it that you would see. Okay guys, I hope that y'all liked the video. I decided I want to do another editing video. I just did some parts of it. I thought I was gonna make a long one, but I decided like, no, I'm not gonna make a long video that like and comment and tell me what y'all think of it. And I know my intro is not that really good of that, but that's why I did a voiceover of that. And I really hope that y'all like it. And also subscribe and click the bell notification, share this video, and follow all my social medias, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and they are in the description box. And I see y'all doing in my next video. I might make another editing like this probably tomorrow. I'm thinking about it because I have a lot of ideas I want to do too of that. Or I might just do it tomorrow. I'll probably just do a reaction because I need to kind of get back into doing that too, because I'm going to get back into doing that too. So yeah, and I gotta go, and I see y'all doing in my next video. Peace.